In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to start a side gig with AI writing software. Hey, how's it going? My name is Jackson and I want to share with you a huge opportunity. If you're looking to make some extra cash from the comfort of your own home, then guess what? It just got 1,000 times easier with this new AI writing software, allowing you to create more income, less stress, more freedom, all with the simplicity of letting an AI write the content for whatever you want to do. And for those of you, if you're new to this channel, my name is Jackson with Internet Money Lifestyles, and I post videos almost every single day teaching you the best and newest ways to make money online. So if you could do me a favor, if this video benefits you at all, if you could go ahead and
smash that like button.
Go down below,
Hit that subscribe button.
hit the notification bell as you'll be notified when I post videos. Like I said, I post almost every single day with the latest and greatest ideas on how I can help you to generate an income from home. All right, so like I said, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can have an AI write your content for you and how you can start a side gig, allowing this computer basically to write ad copy for you, and then you can start to generate an income online. I think this is the #1 issue I run into. People message me all the time saying, how do I start an online business whenever I don't have any money to start? Well, guys, this is your answer right here, and you have a huge opportunity, and really the sky's the limit with this. You can make a ton of money with this method. So let's jump over to my computer and let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so here we are on my computer, and as you can see, we are talking about Jarvis. Now, I just found this software, and if this is something that you are interested in, you can go down in the description below. I'll have a link that leads to this. I'm not, at the moment, not an affiliate for them, but I do know that they do have an affiliate program, but you have to get accepted into it. But this is Jarvis, okay? Obviously, as you can see, this is used by big name companies, okay? We got Shopify, Airbnb, Google, Volcom. I mean, there are huge names here that use this software. And I just want to let you know that basically everything from this YouTube video, my YouTube title, the description, the very beginning of this video, kind of the hook, the very first thing I said, and kind of the introduction was all used with this software. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so just to prove that this is actually inside of Jarvis. So this is kind of the website. Obviously, if this is something you want to try it out for free, you're going to go to this website, click here, and then you're going to get signed up and you're going to try it out for free. I already did that. I'm already signed up. So this is actually inside of Jarvis, and these are a few of the things that I favored. So I just want to show you, as you can see, the title of this video, this was something that I got. If we click on it, we can see that this is a few YouTube titles that this software gave me, and this is the one I actually used right here for this video. I saw that I could rank for it, and it's a really good, enticing title. And obviously, if you clicked on this, it was good enough to get you to click on this. So I got the title of this video using this software. And then also, like I said, if you kind of remember what I said in the beginning, this is exactly what I said in my hook, and then this is my introduction. I kind of changed it up a little bit, but it still gave me a flow. It gave me a way that I could follow, because if I don't have a script, then I kind of ramble off and just kind of jumble my words, and I don't flow as well. Kind of what I'm doing right now, but with this, I was actually able to, as you can see, I mean, it gave me a hook, like it actually specifies a hook, and this is my entire hook. And then the introduction, this is kind of what I said after I said my first sentence. So that was all using this Jarvis. But we want to know how you can make an extra income using this software and how it can write content for you so you can make money. So let's jump into that. If we go over here, and there's a lot of ways you can do this. I think documents is the best way to do this, but I just kind of want to show you guys what this software is. And then after you get into the software, what you can do is you can go to the dashboard and go through the Jarvis Bootcamp. And with the bootcamp, what you can do is that'll basically explain everything and how exactly to use this. But let's see here. So if we go over here to templates, and then we go over here to ads, all right, this will show you. So if you're a person that runs Facebook ads, this is great, but we're trying to teach you how you can make money with this. So basically, if we want to do ad copy for somebody, okay, what we're going to do is we're going to start out going to Fiverr, okay? And what I did is I searched write my Facebook ad. And as you guys can see, there is a ton of people doing this. I will hook your audience with my ad copy, $20. I will write persuasive high conversion Facebook ad copy, $45 for one service. And look at this, 4.9 reviews with 282 reviews. Those are people that actually reviewed the service. So she's had way more than that, people that actually ordered this service. I mean, look, the list goes on and on, another $40. I will write persuasive Facebook ads. Now check this out. So if we go back over here to Jarvis, all we have to do is we can go over to either the ad headline. Let's start with the ad headline, okay? So let's say we want to promote something. Let's just say somebody's trying to promote, let's use the program that I'm currently using to make money online. You know, the affiliate program that I'm following, the main product that I'm promoting. And it's called Freedom Breakthrough 2.0. Okay, so let's say you got a gig over here on Fiverr. Somebody comes to you like me. Maybe I need you to write Facebook ads for the product that I'm currently promoting, and then basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna give it the name of whatever we're promoting, and then we're just gonna give it a little description. Basically, what this program does is it teaches people how to do affiliate marketing and make money from home. Pretty much what it is. And then basically a tone of voice. Now this is kind of interesting. As you can see, we can click here to see more tone of voices. We can scroll down and this kind of gives you a list. But what you can also do is you can have the tone of voice, or you can also type in different people. Like it'll give you a tone of voice based on certain people. So just for the funs of it, let's use Gary Vaynerchuk. Why not? And let's just kind of see what it ends up giving us for a Facebook ad headline. So let's put him in, and then all we have to do is go down here, and I'll point to it, generate AI content, and then let's see what it gives us. Boom. All right, so here we go. This is what it gave us. This is awesome. I mean, this is ad copy. This is something that would entice somebody, and this is somebody that if they were to buy your service, you were to go put up a Fiverr gig and you were to give them back this, they'd be like, wow, that's incredible, you know, and they would be willing to pay you. But look at this. This is a headline. Sick of the rat race, learn how to earn $2,000 as a side hustle and change your life. Okay, here's another one. Are you tired of your job? In little parentheses, the ultimate solution for making money from home. So that's the Facebook ad headline. Okay, so if we go back, okay, so here we are. We're back to the templates, ads, and then now we want to do the primary text. So let's go to the primary text. Let's use the same thing, Freedom Breakthrough Affiliate Marketing course that helps people become a full-time affiliate marketing. Let's do affiliate marketer and make money online. And let's do Gary Vaynerchuk again. Actually, I'm going to change it up and I'm going to use Tony Robbins. If you don't know who he is, he's just, you got to look him up. He knows his stuff. So let's put him in, and let's see, the value must be less than 2. Okay, so put the value in less than 2. This is 2 different things that it's going to give us, and just let it load, let it do its thing, and then let's see what it gives us. Okay, here we go. So as you can see, here it is. This, I think this also gives you an ad headline, but look, I mean, this is everything that you can put into your Facebook ad primary text, all right? Do you want to make money online and be your own boss? If so, this is the course for you. It's going to teach everything you know about making money online as an affiliate. Like, this is, everything here is solely from the AI bot. Like, isn't that crazy that it is smart enough to write all this? And if this were me writing a Facebook ad for Freedom Breakthrough, this is amazing text. And look, it gives you this, and then also gives you this. Talks about leaving your 9-to-5 behind forever is an affiliate marketing course that helps people. Like, I didn't type, all I did was give it this information right here. And then it was able to come over here and produce 2 different options for Facebook ad text. Okay, and then so you can do the same thing, you know. If I were to go up here to Fiverr and I were to go to Google Ads copy, which a lot of people are going to want. People want people to write there. Oh my goodness, and look at this. Look, even more, $150. I will write and search ad copy. That's crazy. And she actually has reviews, so people actually bought the service. They got Facebook ad copy, Google ad copy, $25. I will write ad copy for Google ads, Facebook ads, $60. This is insane. You can make this much money, and all you have to do is go over here. They just have to tell you what they're promoting, and you can type it in. You know, we could do like weight loss, okay? Weight loss solutions. Let's say that's a company. And then the product description: helps women lose weight fast. And let's just generate and see what it gives us. All right, so here we go. And are you ready to lose weight? You're not alone with their weight. You're looking for a solution. The good news is there's simple steps. And then you go down here, and then obviously you're going to put your link there. But look at this. It gave us an entire Facebook ad copy that's generated, and all we did was give it this tiny little description, and it came up with this clever, really enticing Facebook ad copy that's going to get people to click. And so all you have to do is get signed up over here on Fiverr, and then of course you're going to want to get Jarvis, and then you are going to be able to appear somewhere up here, okay? And maybe in between here, or maybe when you're starting out you'll be a little bit lower down, but as you get more reviews you're going to be pushed up to the top, because obviously this is good stuff. And all you have to do, I mean, this took me a minute to fill out, and then you have the potential to earn $25, $60, $45. I'm sure if we were to click on one of these, let's click the $25 ones. You got basic package, a standard package, a premium package, and then look at that. Boom. $70 for something that took you less than 1 minute. All right, guys, I just wanted to share with you. Like I said, if you want to get signed up for Jarvis, go down the description below. I'll have a link to it. And if you want to learn how I'm building a $10,000 a month online affiliate marketing business, go down the description. It's going to be the very first link. It's going to teach you everything that I am doing, and everything that I have learned has come from this course. It only costs $7 to get started. It is by far the best course online to actually making good money, high ticket affiliate commissions. Every time I earn a sale with this program, I earn $1,100. Okay, this is absolutely life-changing, and it is what I highly recommend if you really want to start a business. I think this gig with doing the side gigs with Fiverr, I think it's a good idea to help get some money going. But once you really want to start an online business, this teaches everything from building your very own funnel to setting up an email list to your email responder and building an actual sustainable business. So if you want to learn how to do that, then go down the description below. It's going to be the first link. But that's all it for today, guys, and we'll see you all tomorrow.